Hi, children. Today we are going to do something very interesting. You already learned number names up to 40. Yes? Any number I give, you know the name. Numeral I give, you know to name the number, spell the number's name. Good. Now we are going to do a little more. We are going to learn number names from 41 to 50. 40 we finished. So we will look at the number names 41 to 50. Observe, read, count, spell, enjoy yourself. Shall we? Good. Let's look at our first number and learn its name. What is that? 41. Yes. We have already finished learning up to 40. Now here. Now what is 41? 4 and 1, 41. 4 and 0, 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. We can also read this as 40 and 1 more is equal to 41. So we know the numeral 41. So what are we learning? We are learning the numeral 41's name. This number 41, how do we write its name? How do we spell and write? That's what we are doing today. We are going to write, spell, read aloud 41. How do we spell 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 40, O-N-E-1. So the numeral 41, the number 41's name. Spell and write the name correctly. F-O-R-T-Y. 40, O-N-E-1. 41. So when you look at this, when you read 41, immediately you must say, I know how to write the numeral 4 and 1, 41. Good. Did you enjoy? Okay, let's. After 41, what can be the number? What number follows after 41? 42. Very good. 4 and 2, 42. 4 and 0, 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. Now, we can read this as 40 and 2 more is equal to 42. 4 and 2, 42 is the numeral. How do we write the name, the number's name? Number 42, how do we spell and write its name? Look, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-W-O-2. So the numeral 42, its name is 42. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-W-O-2. 42. We learn to write the number, this number 42's name, spelling it correctly. Good. Now, tell me, after 42, what number follows? What number comes after 42? Very good. 43. 4 and 3, 43. 4 and 0, 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. 40 and 3 more is equal to 43. Today we are learning to write the number 43's name. Spell and write the name 43. 4 and 3, 43. Let's spell and write it. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 43. The numeral 43, how do we write its name? 43. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, THREE3, 43. This is the number name and this is the number 43 and 43 is the number name. Very good. Shall we go to the next? What do you think is the number that comes after 43? After 43 comes number 44. What is the numeral that follows 43? 4 and 4, 44. 4 and 0, 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. 44. 40 and 4 more is equal to 44. So 44, the numeral 44, how do we write its name? Spell and write its name 44. How do you spell 40? How do we spell 4? Look what we have here. Spell, read with me. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, F-O-U-R, 4, 44. The number name of this numeral 44 is written as 44. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, F-O-U-R, 4, 44 is the numeral 44's name. 44, good. Now tell me, what numeral follows after 44? After 44 comes 40. What will be the number that comes after 44? 4 and 5, 45. After 44, you have the numeral 45. You have the number 45. 4 and 0, 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. Yes, 40 and 5 more is equal to 45. So, the numeral 45 we have here. And how do we write its name? The number name of the numeral 45. That is what we are learning now. Spell with me. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-I-V-E 5. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-I-V-E 5. 45 numerals name. This 45 numbers name is 45. Very good. So you learn to recognize the numeral. You know now how to write, spell and write 45. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-I-V-E 5. Shall we go to the next number? After 45, what number will follow after 45? After 45, the number that comes after 45 is 46. Good. 4 and 6, 46. 4 and 0, 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. We can also read this as 40 and 6 more is equal to 46. 4 and 6, 46. Now the numeral 46, how do we write its name? Spell and write its name 46. F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-I-X 6. 46. The numeral 46 name is this numeral 46 number. This number 46 is written as spelling is F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-I-X 6. So this is the number 46 name. Very good. Good. Shall we look at another number? What do you think is the number that comes after 46? After 46 comes the numeral 4 and 7, 47. 4 and 0, 40 plus 7 is equal to 47. We can also read this as 40 and 7 more is equal to 47. 4 and 7, 47. This numeral, we have to write its name. The number name of this numeral 47 is what we are learning. Look what we have. Read, spell with me. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Good. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 47. 47. The numeral 47, its name. Then this number 47's name is written as 47. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Very good. You know the numeral? You know its name. Good. What do you think is the number that follows 47? What number comes after 47? Good. After number 47 comes 48. 4 and 8, 48. 4 and 0, 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. 40 plus 8 is equal to 4 and 8, 48. We can also read this as 40 and 8 more is equal to 48. The number 48 is written as its name. Number 48's name we spell and write. Look, read with me. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. E-I-G-H-T-8, 48. The number 48, its name. The number name of this number is 48. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. E-I-G-H-T, 48. This is the numeral. This is the numeral's name. The number and its name. Very good. Shall we go to the next? What do you think is the number that follows, that comes after 48? After 48 comes the number 49. Numeral 4 and 9, 49. Good. 4 and 0, 40. 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. 4 and 9, 49. How do we read? We can also read this as 40 and 9 more is equal to 49. So the numeral we have 49. How do we write this numeral's name? How do we spell and write it correctly? That is what we are doing today. 4 and 9, 49. The number and its name is F-O-R-T-Y, 40. N-I-N-E, 9. The numeral 49. Its name is 49. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. N-I-N-E, 9. 49. Very good. What do you think is the number that follows 49? After 49 comes what number? After 49 comes 5 and 0, 50. 5 and 0, 50. After 49 we have 50. 4 and 0, 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. We can read this as 40 and 10 more is equal to 50. The number 50. How do we spell and write 50? Good. That's what we are going to learn today. This is numeral, the number 50, and the name is, spell it with me, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Good.